What is the number one reason why you are so unhappy? You might not like this answer, but I'm going to say it anyway. The number one reason why you are unhappy is that because your mind, body, and soul is not in harmony. The things that you do, say, or the things that you think are not aligned with who you are and what you truly want. To be able to do that, you need to just access to that point of happiness within that is already within you. And obviously, if you're not happy at your job, it means that you're doing something that you don't want. You want to do something else, but then you are doing your job as if you need to or you have to do that. You are staying in relationships that doesn't make you happy, or you're doing personally, you're doing things that you don't want to do, but obviously you find a reason to go and do it logically. But honestly, the happiness does not come from your job or from other people or from any outside sources. It comes from inside, from within you. And to be able to access that happiness that is within you, happiness itself is a learned skill. You just need to learn how to be happy and how to use it every second or every moment of your life to be happy. So if you want to know how it's done or how to access that happiness within, I'm going to tell you the first step, and I'm going to help you along each step that as we're going. The first step to go into a higher spirituality, to know yourself better, is to practice gratitude. That is to overflow yourself with gratitude every moment, every second of your life, with everything that touches your life, everything that helps you breathe and stay alive. You need to be grateful for that. So as soon as that has happened, then you're ready for the next step, which is next step into higher spirituality. When you're ready, let me know in the comments below. I will share what is the next step. But in the meantime, if you need any help in reminding yourself with gratitude, I can send you one email a day for the next 30 days so you can remind yourself to be happy, to be grateful for everything in your life and every second. You have to remind yourself first every hour, maybe every half an hour, then 15 minutes, then 5 minutes, then maybe 3 minutes, then every second that you're breathing. As soon as that happens, then you're ready to go to the next step. So let me know. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for listening. Farima. If you love this topic, please subscribe my channel. Share, comment, and ask your questions. Or for more information, please visit farimajoya.com.